Welcome to our channel. We have ordered a cable lock. This can be used for locking a bicycle. We have ordered two types of cable. This one and another one is a small one. I mean the thickness is small. This is a very strong in thickness. Let's unlock and see how does it works and how much length it has. Okay, let's cut this one. Have to cut. So cut it, and this is the length of the cable, and let's cut this also. And yeah, this is a length. Let me unlock this. The lock is provided here. Okay, okay, see, I have unlocked it. This is a pretty much lengthy cable. Okay, look at this. It's a very long cable, whereas this is a very small cable. Let me unlock this and show you. Smash. Let me put side by side. Slightly longer than the left side one. Let's measure this. It has around 27 inches length, and let me measure this one. Okay, it's very difficult to measure. This is almost kind of 40-inch length. So yeah, but this is this in this we cannot reset the locking password, whereas this one we can reset the locking number. Okay, here they given a set button. Using this we can reset the number, whereas this one is fixed number. They have given one tag. Okay, we have to set this to unlock this particular cable. Okay, yeah, if you want a bigger length, go for this. If you want shorter length and more strong one, you can go for this. Thanks for watching, guys.